Hi, it's Judy Gunn here. And in this video, I want to show you how to create a form. And a form is somewhere where you collect emails and information from your potential customers. So I'm going to share my screen and I'll get the right one. There we go. And just let that. Okay. And so go down the side. This is your main page. Here we go down to sites. Across the top here, we click on forms and we go form builder. Now, these are a lot of forms that I have already created, but I'm going to go back and, oops, did the wrong one. I created a folder that says training videos so I don't get mixed up. So in my folder, I'm going to put my forms in here. All my trainings I'm going to put in here for you for BizStackPro. So this one here I've already created, and this was for Instagram. And I created it with one of our templates. We've got lots and lots of templates that you can choose from. And it just comes up like this with the BizStackPro on the bottom. And it's all done like that. But you can change the colours and everything on it. Yeah, I've already saved it before. So now I'm going to create a form. So we're starting from scratch. So you go sites, forms, builder, and it will take you to here. At the top here, it says create. I'm going to add a form. So click on add, start from scratch, and create. The other one was from the templates. And there we have one already done. Now, if you don't like this or you want to make changes to it, you can. You can change anything you like in here. It's got the first name, last name, phone, email, and there's a couple of check boxes here if you want these. If you don't want these in here, just going to save it at the top here. Okay. And then that's a quick add. So you can just go with it the same way as it is here. Or you can click on it here and you can make changes. So the first one here, we'll go over the side here. This is the general settings. So that says first name, placeholder, the labels, the width. That's for your text. And the same goes for the next one. So if you don't want this to say, the label says first name, you might want to say, you might want to say add please add your first name. Spell right. Please add your first name, and that'll go in there. See, please add your first name, and then when they click in there to start typing, their name will go in here. And then this one, we can say, please add your, oops, last name. Now you can just leave it as it is if you want to, or you can do it like that. Now the phone number, if you want to collect the phone, you could say, please add your best phone number. If you don't want to collect phone, you're just collecting emails, you can click on that and it will take it off. So you've got first name, last name, and email. And it's got a little star next to it, which means that's necessary. It's got two boxes of information down here. If you want them on, you just leave it. If you don't want them on, you can click on that and you can take them off like that. I normally just take them off. And the button, click on the buttons. Every time you click on something, you go over the side here. Now this button is this green here. I don't like that green. That's not my color. So I get it's a good idea to have a list of all your brand colors. So that's my color. And then the button, which is in here, background button. I think it tells you button with adding top. We've got all these things that you can change in here. And you can spend a bit of time in here looking for where you want that button. I think this button's here, but we'd like it in the middle. I think that's not the one. General settings. Interesting that it doesn't stay there. Maybe it's that one. Oh, there it is. So that's the text button because I like it in the middle. Okay, and then we'll save that. Saved. Now up the top here, we have to give it a name because if we don't give it a name, when we go looking for it, it's going to be, you won't be able to find it. So we'll say lead dash newsletter. So you might want to be collecting leads for your newsletter. So we'll give that a name. We'll say save. Maybe. Then we'll go back. And there you've got, so we've got a lead for the Instagram, we've got a lead for our newsletter. So whenever that someone signs the form, it will go into our back office, into the it'll go back into your back office and be recorded so that you can do something else with that. That'll be in the next video. So this is how you create a lead. I hope this makes sense and you understand it. So I'll finish this one and then the next one I'll show you how to use this lead and put a link somewhere with it. Okay, we'll stop share. We'll push all the right buttons here. See you in the next video.